The first thing in the box is going to be this Laura Mercier powder. This is the Matte Radiance Baked Powder Highlight 101, and it retails for $44. So we're both going to go ahead and use this. She's actually going to be sharing with you what cream blush she's using, and then we're both going to set our faces with this. So it comes with this nice mirror, and here's the powder here. It's very like iridescent.
My turn? So I'll be using this Wonder Beauty, and it has for your cheek the blush, and it's kind of like a lip gloss, I suppose. And if I can open the bottom. So it's like a little double 2-in-1. Nails make it hard to do. And then they have it for your lip, and I did put some on, and it's very, very nice for your lips. I might steal this, so. Today we'll be using the, how do I say this? Glamier?
Yeah.
Glamier. These cute little brushes. So they kind of move. I don't know if you kids can see that.
I didn't see that. Those are cute.
It's kind of like for Valentine's Day, I think. I think that's so cute. There's like a little liquid in there, so it's kind of.
That's cool.
Might be stealing that too.
This is really really shimmery on your skin. Look. You see?
It's pretty, yeah.
So, after you put your blush, you can use this if you want.
You know me and my shimmer last time. I was just over here like
You're
getting
just
on my whole face.
Yeah.
Then, so I'm scared about this one, but I will be using the Ace Beauty. Oh, it's Beauty. It has the E. Okay. Nostalgia. I'm scared because I don't do a lot of crazy colors, so it's gonna be a first for me.
And then the next thing in my box is this here, which we're both gonna try on, I think. And this is the, let me see, Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm, and this retails for $33. So I'll just put it on my finger or in the back of my hand so you can use it too.
Okay.
Okay, whoa, that's real thick.
Did you say lip balm? I already used mine.
You want to use this one?
I mean, you can dip it all in there, sure.
Ooh.
Does it smell nice?
Very coconutty and orangey. And it's like really thick.
I'm mixing chemicals, so
that's good.
Just kidding. Watch my lips pop up again.
You don't need any lip filler. Just put that on.
That's why it has a big B on it. Oh no. There you go.
Okay, so.
I think it smells.
It's good, huh?
Yeah, it makes me happy. Okay.
Tropical. So the next thing in my box is this, and this is the Huda Beauty Pastel Obsessions eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $29. And these are the colors. I think they're okay, like they're really soft, so this could be like for a really soft eye. It does have these like pressed glittery shimmery shades in there. So yeah. So I guess we can get started with our eye look. Okay. And then just every now and then if you see the red dots gone then, or it says stop recording, let me know.
Okay.
And then we can do it.
This on my Okay. I'll be, no, I'm just kidding. We already know what this shit is. Put a lot of concealer on to conceal all of our flaws. Sure. Okay.
Excuse me. What?
Did you hear that?
No.
I was doing this and I think it was like sucking my lip because it was like. about this palette that I'll be using.
Because you usually do like the
reds,
yeah,
browns, things like that. So I'm scared. Okay. How do you do this? Okay. Try to get like a small idea before this.
I'm thinking of getting, Tim gave me the option of getting a new camera, but I have to sell this one and my white one together, like the whole set.
Mm.
I was like, no, I'm good, but I'm thinking about it now.
Okay. I feel like I'm missing parts that I usually do that I didn't do right now.
You already put the blush?
No.
And you set your face?
Not the whole face.
No?
No.
Okay, do your blush. And you can put it on with your sponge. This palette isn't getting me very excited. It's just like,
Okay. Blush on here.
just like, okay. Take this very light shade and put that in the crease. Actually, I'm gonna take this purple here. I don't know if I own Huda Beauty, anything.
Oh, it looks like somebody slapped me in the face.
No, it looks good. It's
No?
pretty. Maybe you could dab some on your nose.
You look like a little Whoville character. Red nose right there. Like that?
It's cute.
Okay.
So we're gonna be filming like a taste testing of the Michelob drinks, the seltzers, and then we're gonna be like answering questions too.
The seltzers?
So we're gonna be taste testing each flavor, but as we're drinking, we're gonna be answering
I'm
questions.
probably gonna have to watch you do that.
Yeah, if you probably wanna like film it for us, like stay behind the camera.
Sure.
Yeah.
For some reason, I can't get it together. Okay. Yeah, right now.
And don't forget to set your face after you're done.
Set my face first.
Did you put your blush?
Um,
Sure, you're strong.
What's my throat again? Jeez. Did you hear me?
You didn't get water?
No, I forgot. I'm missing a... I don't know what happened there, but okay.
Well, this shade is really nice, so.
Okay.
And then we'll go ahead and stop. Did you show me what color you're using, what you're doing?
Oh, so I think I'm gonna be doing like this rainbow look. It probably won't turn out like a rainbow. But currently I'm using raspberry. And then right after raspberry, I'm gonna switch over to carnival. And then flip floss. And then some picnic. And then water slide on the inner eye. And then I know Lad knows maybe I'll throw the green in there.
Okay. So I'm still applying that purple, and the same purple that I first put, and I'm just like adding layer after layer. Here. So I guess I'll just use that. I mean, I could always use hers, but I guess I'll just use, I think I'm gonna use your dark purple. Can I use your dark purple?
Sure. So
I'm gonna use her carnival shade, because there's not a dark color in there. I mean, not that dark.
So I've gotten my purples and pinks in. So I did the carnival, the raspberry, and the picnic so far. And I decided that I will be using the green. I did find a purpose for the green. Some yellow. So it would be theme park, waterside, and a little bit of vacation, which is orange. So I'm going to kind of blend the orange in more, and then it's going to turn into a bright yellow. So it kind of has that nice little rainbow-like effect. We'll see how it goes.
I'm gonna use some of your purple. Yeah, that purple's nice. See right here, this shimmery pink on the eyebrow bone. It's pretty. Shimmery purple.
It's not bad. It's really not bad at all. But I think I want more pink in there.
Okay, I think this shimmer is more like a topper to top over like an eyeshadow, which I didn't put nothing on the center of my lid, so oops.
Yeah, I wanted more pink in there. Like that. So I'm almost there. Hopefully. So I've basically use my little brush here. Theme park, the green for the under of the eye. I definitely use some camping, some picnics, some carnival, flip-flops, raspberry, vacation, water slide, fun, because you have to have fun. And what else did I use?
I need some more.
I think I used, did I say vacation? I did put vacation, so it's orange. And I just lightly blended it so that way it could kind of flow into the yellow. And I'm thinking about putting a little bit more because I think it's pretty. All right, and yeah, that's it so far.
Man Eater mascara. This retails for $23. And then we got the KVD Vegan Beauty Epic Curl Vegan Lash Primer. So this is, let's see, this retails for $24.
Fun I've had with colors.
Yeah, you got a pretty good box.
I never do colorful things in my eyes myself. I'm just always afraid of it. You said you had eyelashes.
Oh, this stuff is pretty good. I put them right there. Make sure you do your mascara first so it sticks.
Okay.
Whoa, this stuff is actually kind of cool. Part one right on top. Ooh, it's kind of cool. It's a nice one.
Is that right?
No, like it was really close to me. I would have made it water. Son of a bitch.
All the scary things in the world. So, the dangers of using color is that they fall in my chunky cheeks.
These lip liners. And do you have your little card? Okay, so I'll go ahead and let you guys know what these lip liners are. They're Saint Lux Beauty, and these are the limited liner duo edition, and they retail for $48. Ooh. So I think I'm gonna go with this darker brown, and that's what the tip looks like. Pretty cool.
Face it that way. Is this, can I use your? I'm almost dropping everything. This is more like bronzer stuff.
Highlighter.
That's some dark highlighter. Alright. Guess we'll just go with it.
In this video, we're not very talkative. Sorry, guys. You blame Amy.
It's a fear thing because of all the colors I was going to use. It's just all the fear.
And this is the Decollete and Neck Cream on Mask. Retails for $58. So I think this is like a neck and face cream. Smells like lavenders. It's a thick cream. So that's nice. But we have our makeup on, so we won't be testing these out. But it is a nice thick cream. It smells like the spa.
Let me see. Ooh, it does
Like
smell
a spa?
yeah. So the other thing that we got on my box was the Saturday Skin Use It? Use It?
Maybe.
Maybe Yuzu. Yuzu?
I couldn't pronounce mine.
Vitamin C sleep mask. A lightweight mask that works while you sleep to deliver moisture while targeting the look of aging, dullness, pore stress, and texture. That sounds really nice. So this is priced at $29, and let's see.
Ooh, comes with a spatula.
Ooh, that's what that is. I thought it was a tiny little spoon. I was like, it's the cutest little spoon I've ever
Just
seen.
start eating it.
Oh, so it's really jelly-like. I don't know if you can really see that.
I don't smell anything.
Target. I like really can't smell anything.
Doesn't have a smell. Because this
So
one
it
smells
kind
like
of,
lavender.
there's a weird hint of lemon in there. Like the tiniest hint of lemon. So maybe.
Their products are always nice though.
So if, oh no, I'm gonna break everything. So they say if a product doesn't have like a lot of smell to it, it's generally a little bit better for your skin. A little less chances of your skin getting irritated. Sorry, I pushed the lid on there too hard.
Ooh.
It
Feels nice.
does it?
Mm-hmm.
I can't even feel it on my finger. It's like.
We didn't use any of the face products. So what we're gonna do is do another video using all the skincare products. So yeah, but our battery is running low, so we gotta go. But we hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry we didn't talk. All right, guys.